Shalom, y'all. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Today we're wrapping up the bathroom. That's what this video is about. So I hope you come. I hope you watch. I hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. Click that notification button. And let's get the party started.
So we're going into Ollie's to see what kind of floorings they have for our bathroom. So these are some of their options here. I kind of like this one. It's that black marble look. They have... I really don't like this. It reminds me of parquet flooring. But... yeah. They also have these down here. The only colors they have are like this gray whitewash, which I don't like. This, it's almost like a cherry. I don't know. I might have to keep looking, but yeah. Ollie's. They are a good price.
We did end up getting some flooring from Ollie's for the bathroom floor. It's black marble, which is a pretty good deal. It's $10 a box to match our black hardware for the shower head and the handles and all and so forth. So hopefully it'll look good.
So if you guys don't know, we got this from Ollie's and it comes in a pack of 25. So I think $10 is a really great price for a pack of 25. Honestly, can't complain. So this is the finished product. It looks much blacker in person.
It might look a little
looks more black in person.
Might look a little grayish on the camera.
Gray and maybe some brown undertones. But really, this is just...
It's kind of like black marble.
How good it turned out. Wish you could just see it. It's like, but
Let's see how it goes with these. Like
yeah, it goes with all of our fixtures and it breaks up some of the white that we have. So it goes with the greenish sink we have, and yeah, we still have to put the baseboards in, but that will tie it all in. Now we won't be putting in baseboards until we move in though, because we are trying to do this with no debt. I don't want to add any debt
the best of our
to
ability.
ourselves. Yep. Yeah. Let's finish this bathroom.
These hooks for the towels. They made it twist in. We gotta put some holes in the wall, twist into the wall, then twist this into that, into the wall. I don't know why they had to make it so difficult.
Over. There you go. I'm gonna fix it. There. It's really cool. I love it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Come back next Wednesday as you'll have some more renovations to do. Shalom, y'all.